Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kajingakop Shedjingshen Lanika Masterchef competition. Kadekaway ni Kajingakop Kabalapaw Amtang Haganikari. Henry Hakapertay Hibarokaway. Kalong ka ek basngaw sarong banyo I bakaway ni Kinongsong Shnong Jong Ganiga Jalamik Haria Jong Iru. Kalayo lad banya Shimenta Haganiga Jingakop. Barkata kaday Nambie Jessica Marak. Gilayo lad banya kren Nambie. Lingba ka video call halor kajingya lenti kachongka hadu kanika kenti. Namar bakaday nakazat ben Riewgaru, bat bakam nang man kren yak ketin khasi, kumtang ilay kren bat Nambie, hagak ketin pareng. Well, first of all, Nambie, many congratulations for coming this far in this competition. We are so proud of you. Well, for now, let us kickstart right away with the interview. Can you please introduce yourself first to the audience?
Hello, my name is Nambie Jessica Marak and I am from the West Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, and I am from a very small remote village called Upper Rangsa. I finished my master's degree in Madras Christian College, Chennai, and then I finished my undergraduation from St. Anthony's College, Shillong. Yes, I do have a YouTube channel called Eat Your Kappa. I sort of prepared for Masterchef India through my channel. Not literally, but yes, in a way that I have a wide knowledge of Northeastern cooking. And now that I auditioned for Masterchef India and I am in the top 12 now, I'm able to showcase my knowledge on Northeastern cooking. So yes, in a way, Eat Your Kappa did help me groom myself for the Masterchef kitchen.
Well, Nambie, it is not easy to come this far, especially, coming from a small village in Meghalaya. And we are so proud of you, as I've said earlier. And can you tell us a little bit about the difficulties that you have faced so far?
Geographically, it's very difficult to get to my village, and coming from there and auditioning in the silent auditions in Kolkata first and then making it to Mumbai. I mean, also as you all know, I run a school. We adopted a defunct school, my husband and I, last year. So to manage the school and the farm and to leave my 4-year-old daughter and come for the auditions, and after being selected, coming to Mumbai and leaving my husband alone to manage all of the school and the farm and everything else back at home is in itself a struggle. But I am so thankful that I have such a supportive family and a very mature 4-year-old daughter who really is like a huge support for me. So yeah.
Well, have you auditioned before for, the MasterChef or for any other cooking competition?
No, I have not auditioned for any other cooking show other than MasterChef India. But yes, I was a part of a Northeastern cooking show, which is yet to be aired.
Well, who is your biggest inspiration in the cooking world?
I do have a lot of role models in cooking: Maggie Bear, Gordon Ramsay, Marco Pierre White, and our Indian chefs Manish Mehrotra, Pratik Sadhu. I mean, there's so many inspirations. They are all my motivation, and there are so many more that I haven't named.
What was the first dish that you served the judges, and what were the reactions?
The first dish that I served to the judges was called Whispering Hills Medley, and I made use of black rice and so'yong in my dish, and it was my representation of Meghalaya on a plate, and the judges loved it.
Well, Nambie, do we expect you to only cook dishes from the region, or we see Nambie exploring other cuisine as well?
I can't really say, because it will totally depend on the challenges that I'm going to encounter, but I will try to bring in the Northeast or the the Meghalayan touch to each of my dish. That is one thing that I'd love to try.
And yes, can you tell us a little bit about the judges and who is your favorite judge?
About the judges, I love all three of them. They are such amazing people. Their stories, their struggles, their how did they get to where they are today is an inspirational story in itself. Each of them have such amazing things to teach, and I look at them, each of them, as a mentor, and I learn separate things from each of them, and I love all of them. I can't pick which one I like the most, but I love all three of them the same.
Well, Nambie, thank you so much for your time and for the interview. All the very best for the rest of the competition. And yes, do bring home the trophy.
Thank you so much, Julie, for taking the time to do this with me. It's been a pleasure talking to you, and I just want to say to all of you who are watching MasterChef and who's following my journey, thank you so much for your love and support. I just want you guys to pray for me so that I may do my best, and I will try to bring our cuisine, amazing cuisine, to the spotlight. And thank you from the Tribal Chef.